Supply chain delays and labor shortages have recently dragged down the momentum of manufacturing growth and business confidence in Britain. A fuel supply crisis remains critical in the country. According to a statement released on Wednesday by the Petrol Retailers Association, 37% of the PRA members' forecourts had reported being out of fuel. Apart from supply chain delays, there is a serious shortage of heavy goods vehicle drivers in Britain, a result of Brexit and the COVID-19 pandemic. The Bank of England, Britain's central bank, revised down in late September its forecasts for the level of Britain's gross domestic product in the third quarter of 2021 by around 1% since August.
Last week, the assessment of costs is on the rise, so that actually dampens their outlook and their sentiment for where the economy is going to go. The government have got to be far more sensitive to the needs of business, incentives for companies to upskill, to improve their workforce. For a country to survive, it's actually got to have the right people in the right place. And also, I think the government has got to have a vision as to what it's going to do for business, because what we're seeing currently is very much kind of stop-start, people reacting, coming out with a kind of sticking plaster to resolve an issue rather than looking at it long-term. Businesses are about long-term. They don't operate on a day-to-day basis in terms of their strategy. The government has got to follow suit.